What's up, crypto fiends? Average crypto investor, aka staking my rent, here to talk about adding blockchains to your Metamask account. If you checked out my recent video about getting set up with Metamask, you might be wondering how do you utilize blockchains other than Ethereum. Well, on today's episode, we will be going through adding Binance Smart Chain, Avalanche, Fantom, and Polygon. Once you're established on each of these blockchains, you'll be able to access most DeFi projects. As always, nothing said in this video is financial advice, and you should always do your own research before investing into any project. So let's get started. If you followed along with my last video, then you most likely only have one option for your Metamask network, Ethereum. Well, we are going to change that. The first network that we will be adding is going to be the Binance Smart Chain. The first step we are going to do is click at the top of our Metamask wallet where it says Ethereum Mainnet. There we will see our network options. Next, we will click Add a Network, which will display a prompt something like this. The information we are going to need is the network name, RPC URL, chain ID, and then optionally the currency symbol and blockchain explorer URL. If we navigate over to the Binance website, thankfully they have all the information handy for us. Simply copy and paste the information for each category into their respective boxes and hit save. Congratulations, you now have Binance Smart Chain added to your Metamask. It is important to note that Binance Smart Chain utilizes BEP20 tokens instead of ERC20. Make sure any transfer that you are doing of cryptocurrency are of the BEP20 variety when sending to this wallet. Next, we will be adding Avalanche. Same as before, we are going to navigate to the top of our wallet where it now says Smart Chain. There we will click Add Network. Once we are there, we are back at the network screen. Then we will navigate to Avalanche's documentation page and copy and paste the network information into their respective boxes. Click on Save, and now we will have the Avalanche network added to our Metamask as well. An important note about the Avalanche network is anytime you send AVAX to your account, you will want to send it on the Avalanche seed chain. This is a blockchain that enables you to interact with DeFi protocols. Failure to do so may result in your AVAX being lost. The next network that we will be adding is going to be the Fantom network. Same as before, we are going to navigate to the top of our wallet where it should now say Avalanche network. Then we will be clicking Add Network. Once we are there, we will navigate to the Fantom network documentation page and copy and paste the information regarding their network to your Metamask settings. Click Save, and now you have the Fantom network also on your Metamask. Anytime you want to send funds to this address, make sure it's being sent on the Fantom network, otherwise the assets will more than likely go to your Ethereum address. The last network we will be adding is going to be the Polygon mainnet. The last network that we will be adding is going to be the Polygon mainnet network. Same as before, we are going to navigate to the top of our wallet where it should now say the Fantom network. From there, we are going to click Add Network. Once we are there, we will navigate to the Polygon documentation page, which contains the information for the Polygon mainnet. We will copy this information over to our Metamask settings and click Save. Congratulations, we now have 4 new networks set up on our Metamask account. For the Polygon network, it is important to make sure you are sending tokens to the right network since Polygon is a layer 2 solution on Ethereum. It utilizes ERC20 tokens, so you can very easily accidentally send your funds to the Ethereum account rather than your Polygon account. Now that you are all set up, you can go to Decentralized Exchange and get started swapping your coins that you have sent to your wallet. If you don't know what a DEX or a Decentralized Exchange is, I suggest you check out this video. The most popular DEXs are Uniswap and SushiSwap on Ethereum, PancakeSwap on Binance Smart Chain, Trader Joe on Avalanche, SpookySwap or SpiritSwap on Fantom, and QuickSwap or JellySwap for Polygon. Be careful out there and always test your deposits to your Metamask account with smaller amounts. Now that you are set up with new networks on your Metamask account, what projects are you most excited to invest in? Let me know in the comments down below. If this video helped you out in some way, make sure you leave me a like. If you'd like more of this type of content, subscribe with the bell notification turned on so you can be alerted when my next video goes live. That's all for now, stay safe, and don't worry, crypto fiends, we are all going to make it.